Are you having trouble opening the fridge when you know you want something inside of it? Is it becoming a challenge for you just to get the fridge door open? Well, I worry no longer because Austin Martin here with an astounding new product. It's called the Hook Knob Door Opener. It's going to help you in all situations. I guarantee it. It'll make tasks like opening your fridge a breeze. No more waiting to get what's inside there. You can use it to turn off lights.
Whoa!
And even in the dark, do not worry because it has a built-in flashlight to help you see when you need something opened in the dark. Use it to pet your cat. Use it to fold clothes. With its fascinating door opening knob hook light technology, it can help you in almost anything you need. No more worrying about having to get that door that's stuck and never getting it open. Your worries are over. That's you right. You can open that door like a champ. Sounds like he likes it. For only 2 easy payments of $19.95, the Hook Knob Opener can be yours too. Order now!